friends, Running Kimono. So this is the week of May the 1st, and we're going to look at some curbside deals over at our favorite store, Walgreens. Now, specifically for this video, you're going to place this order through your cell phone or desktop computer, drive to the store, go to the photo department and say, I'd like my order, or from the luxury of the driveway, do a curbside pickup, pull into that spot, and call through your cell phone. Boom, boom, boom. Super easy. We're not going to be looking at deals with register rewards because they do not print anymore through the curbside feature. And also with Walgreens Cash, because I know that's a 50-50 split. Do you get it? Do you not get it? We're looking at the cheap stuff for this video. If this is your thing, then keep watching. If it's not, we'll catch you in another video. But they've really made it where it's really difficult to get, any sort of perk with curbside. However, with curbside, guys, I will let you know that a lot of these prices are a lot cheaper than in store. Okay, so the first little dealio we're going to look at, so we'll just call it Curb 1 for this video. It is to grab one of these L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture Filler Facial Night Cream. They should add a couple extra words into that. But it's $12.49, so a fancy night cream. As you can see, we have an $8 off digital coupon. Here it is, so load this at the very least. It's valid right until the end or the middle of July, so a very good coupon to have. Okay, so $12.49, we're doing a curbside, so that's free. Little bit of Michigan tax in there for you. The $8 manufacturer gone. So the new total for this skin cream is $5.24. If you have $5 of Walgreens Cash on the payment page, use it and pay 24 cents for this for a really nice nighttime cream. Especially if you like this fanciness, this might be a deal pour vous. Okay, so now we're going to look at another skincare deal. So this is Curb number 2. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these L'Oreal Paris. It is a makeup remover for $11.68 for 2. We're going to load the 8 off of 2 plus a $1.50 IVC coupon. So you need to load both of these to make this work. With the IVC coupon, it's reducing the basket down, so you're short. So I'm just going to grab in this little candy bar to get our basket to $10. So yes, we can do a curbside pickup. Okay, so here's something weird. The 8 off of 2 is actually a $9 off. So I don't know if I have some other coupon, but I can't seem to find it. And then the IVC is there, reducing down to $2.23. Now, looking at the overall basket for the makeup remover and the payday, subtracting the IVC, free as we're doing a curbside pickup, a little bit of Michigan tax, and a $9 coupon. I would throw in $2 of Walgreens Cash and pay 31 cents and be very happy with my order, or it'll be $2.31 if you have no Walgreens Cash. Okay, the next little curb deal, we'll call this one Curb 3, toilet paper. So these ultra clean toilet papers for $10. I know not every store carries this, but if you live in a bigger city, this is your big opportunity to get some big Cottonelle. We have a 5 off of 2 that popped up, I believe, yesterday. It's valid right till the end of the month. At the very least, load this. And then we have those gorgeous $10 toilet papers. So just showing you, yes, that coupon attaches if you throw 2 into your basket. Looking at the math for this one, 2 bags of toilet paper for $20. We're doing a curbside pickup, so that's free. We got some tax right there. We have our 5 off of 2 manufacturer. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens Cash. Pay $6.24. Go and get them, to pay $3 and some change using $10 of Walgreens Cash. I think that's super smart. If you don't have any Walgreens Cash, it's $16.24. Maybe not the best deal, but if you have Walgreens Cash, use it. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Don't lose money on the table there. The next deal that we have is number 4. We're going to be grabbing one of these Scott toilet papers for $5. And these are the digitals we're going to load, the $1 manufacturer and the $1.25 IVC coupon. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Scott is also part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for that purchase. Wow. And we are also grabbing 2 of these Revlon nail clippers priced at $2.99. And we have a very generous $5 coupon, and it discludes like the nail files and buffers, but these little nail clippers, they are included. And who doesn't want a new set of nail clippers? With the IVC for the toilet paper, we're short again, so we're going to throw in this Payday candy bar. I go with Payday because it's just a cheapy candy bar, but whatever $1.29 candy bar you wish to get, just grab it. So just showing you the coupons, we have the $1 manufacturer Scott, the 5 off of 2 Revlon, and then the IVC coupon coming off right there. Okay, so we have a $12.27 basket, subtracting the IVC. Free pickup as we're doing curbside, a little bit of tax there, $6 of manufacturers coming off. The new total is $5.60. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 60 cents. If you do not have it, it's $5.60. Maybe not the best deal for you, but if you are flush with some Walgreens cash and you want a little couple cheapy items, this might be the one for you. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.